The Tieasy 5-burner gas cooktop model GC002305S is 30 inches wide, 20 inches deep, and 3.9 inches high. It will fit into an opening 28 inches by 18.9 inches. The knobs are heat resistant. It has a stainless steel finish for durability. The high-efficiency sealed burners have thermocouple protection. If the flame goes out, it will shut off gas to the burner. The sealed burners prevent liquid and food from getting under the cooktop. The cooking grates are heavy-duty cast iron. It comes out of the box set up for natural gas, and it can be converted to propane. The cooktop comes with propane nozzles, clamps, screws, a gasket, and gas connector fittings. It doesn't come with a gas regulator or gas connector. The large center burner is 13,600 BTUs. The other large burner is 10,200 BTUs. The medium burners are 6,100 BTUs each, and the small burner is 3,400 BTUs. And it comes with a 36-month warranty.